So old school wise, this used to be kept as a separate spreadsheet. At the end of every year, the accountant would run the depreciation, which basically would just mean calculate it and then add in a journal to the accounts to do the depreciation for the year. Xero being online and being digital and all being together, you don't have to do it that way anymore. You can do it as you go every month. And this is one of the things that we do at Pink Pig. We run the depreciation every month because that means then every month depreciation is added to the accounts so the accounts are more accurate. So to run the depreciation, you just click up here, run depreciation. Now this one, it says there's no depreciable assets. And when I look at it here, it's coming from the 1st of April and it's going up to the 30th of April 23. So this is last year. So nobody's done last year's yet. So I'm going to start off by doing the full year because this should have been done. So yeah, that's done. Now last year's is done, I can start doing it on a monthly basis. So let's have a look at April. So for April now, I'm just going to do the 1 month. And this is the amount everything's depreciated by. And I'm going to confirm. And that's run. So what you can see now is if we go into, let's go into this one because the other one is a May one, so that's nothing done yet. If you come into the value, you can see here how much appreciation so far, the depreciation to date. So if this has been going for a couple of years, it will have the couple of years amount as well as the current year to date and when it's depreciated too. So you've got the cost and the value, book value on paper that the item is. So it's really good to see here on paper, if you do come to sell something, to see how much it's actually worth. So that when you try and sell it, you can say, well, this is my book value, and you know if you're going to make a profit or a loss on the item. So yeah, that's a really good way of keeping an eye on your depreciation and your asset value.